All right, we want to simplify this logarithmic expressions. First, we need to change all the bases to base 10. Notice that all the bases here, we've got the base 2 on top for the log, and base 6 and base 3, they're all different bases. So we need to change that to the same base, and that's base 10. And we're going to use one of the rules. So log of x base 10 divided by log of 2 base 10, that would be the top, the numerator. The denominator is log of x base 10 divided by log of 6 base 10. And we're going to keep doing that. We're going to do that for the next fraction or next expression as well. So our expression is going to look like this, right? It looks quite ugly, but it's actually, this is very useful form because now we can divide. Notice that log of x, we can divide by log of x in the denominator, and because of what we have with the second term, the log of x and log of x, they can divide as well. So the first fraction will end up getting log of 6 on top divided by log of 2. That's dividing fractions, all right, compound fractions. So this is log of 3 on top divided by log of 2. So what is happening is that when you do the mathematical gymnastics, the denominator of the denominator multiplies to the top or the numerator of the numerator, and then so as the second term, and then you're going to get a form like this. All right, so be aware of that. Okay, I put a review from the earlier grades here when you're dividing a fraction by fraction. Okay, that's what you will get. That's a shortcut on that, so be aware of that if you haven't forgotten it. All right, now that we have this, it's very simple. We have to add these two, subtract these two fractions actually. Very simple. So common denominator is log of 2, so that is log of 6 minus log 3. Okay, once we have that, this is simply log of 6 divided by 3 divided by log of 2. Now remember, I'm using the log law for this, right? And log of 6 divided by 3, that is log of 2 divided by log of 2. And sure enough, what is log of 2 divided by 2? You're dividing the two logs, and that's equal to 1. All right, that's it.